Hello, so today we're gonna teach you how to block a contact from your Snapchat. So first up, open the Snapchat app. Then head over to your messages, so click here. Then simply select the account that you want to block. So let's click up this one. Then just click their Bitmoji up here. So we're gonna see their profile. Then let's just click the settings up here again. Then click manage friendship. Then simply click block. So once you accept it, just click block, and then you can never send them any snap message or call them again. So we can see here that the account is gone and you won't be able to send them snaps again. However, if you want to unblock them, just head over to your own Bitmoji up here, then click settings. Then let's go scroll down here and search for the block section. Just click block. Then click the X and it will automatically unblock them. So just click yes. However, if you want to connect with them, you gotta add them again. So let's search out their username. Let's type it out here, their name. Then just click add once you've seen it. They'll just have to accept your friend request, then you'll be able to send snaps with each other again. So that's it for teaching you how to block an account with your Snapchat. Thank you for watching.